Interesting. A snowplow caught a fire and it's like exploding over there. Look at the fire.
Mom,
oh my god. Oh, it's cold. Someone's right. No, don't go over there, you fucking crazy ass people. Oh my god, I'm getting cold. Come on. Something interesting has to happen to my life.
You stepped on yellow pig.
That's awesome.
Right there.
Just shut up.
I feel bad for
Where's the fire?
What did he say?
Me.
The fire trucks.
No, they didn't come in yet. They did?
The fire trucks are over there.
But yet it's exploding.
I thought Missy wanted to go to the flagpole. Can Missy walk all around the building?
No.
Like, to the flagpole?
Oh my god.
Fire trucks are there.
Please. Ah. No, it's so
Come on, you guys.
Alright.
You can see it from in here.
What?
You can see it from in here.
It's not gonna explode. Oh yes it is. Oh my god. Watch them have us like evacuate. Oh my god, the dude was in it. Was the dude in it?
I don't know.
Okay, come on, they turn on the hose. It's gonna freeze. The car is. This is great. I finally have something interesting happen to me.
That's not funny. It's not interesting.
It's interesting. I didn't say it was funny, you retard. Oh, my sweatshirt. Okay.
Come right here. Daddy. Right here to that.
I don't know if you can see anything.
Okay. A little bit.
I'm literally freezing. Did the fire stop?
Oh.
It stopped.
Yeah, it stopped.
No. There's a hell of a lot of smoke.
How come that's the fire. Look, how come the children are outside and the adults are inside?
I don't know, but that person was. Yo, this really. That just happened. This is. I bet it's gonna be on the news. I want to run over there. I want to be on the news. Stop!
What?
The boom went off like the giant noise.
Like
Shut up. Went off before I started recording. Oh, I'm freezing. You can hear the hose.
That's.
Oh, shut up. No, it's the snow. Okay. I'm just proving it's me.
Come here. We're good. Here, I'm making a so we can here. Stand right here.